So I'm going to show you how to choose or how to change the startup camera orientation on your Insta360 Luna Ultra. So basically how you want your camera starting up. Now you might want to start it up facing forward, or you might prefer to have the camera every time you start it up, it's facing you so that it's easier to just start recording immediately. Now, depending on what you want, you can actually customize the startup orientation on your camera. So you swipe down and then hit the settings button. Under settings, you tap on general, and then under general, you'll see the gimbal startup orientation. You can see by default, it's set to forward, which means anytime you start this camera, it's going to be facing forward. You can choose to have it face you for the selfie video. Every time you start it up, it faces you, or you can have it, excuse me, you can have it show the last shutdown orientation. So it's going to be at the orientation that it was when you were shutting down the camera the last time you're using it. And of course, you can have this button to start up the camera facing you every time you start it up with this button. So you can leave that on or off. So if it's on, it means you can actually use this button to start up the camera in selfie mode, even though the orientation could be set to forward. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.